So thank you for coming to my channel, guys. Have a great day. So you're here because you want to know how to install your AMD drivers or your Intel drivers or your graphics card drivers or your processor or your CPU's drivers. So first thing, check your system. So this is the device specification. Processor AMD, just check it out. Check anything here because you need that later on. So check the operating system, then the bit if you're 64 or 32, or if you want you can use DX diag. Type in DX diag, then enter DX diag. Here you can see all of the information about your computer. Okay, then you go to browser. If you're Intel, you type in Intel drivers. If you're AMD, you type in AMD. Okay, type in AMD drivers. Then as you can see, there's the legit site of amd.com, www.amd.com. Then here you can see graphics, professional graphics, server accelerators, processors with graphics. So anything here. So mine is processors with graphics. Okay, so it might be different in your case. Just find your system details. So mine is AMD A10. Okay, then find your Windows. Take note guys, if you're 64, download a 64. If you're 32-bit, download a 32-bit. Okay, here I'm 64. Then Windows 10. So we just need to choose the latest driver. So the latest driver here is Radeon Software Crimson Edition Beta. So I will choose this one. So I installed a downloader. So that's why my download is different from yours. So here is the files that I downloaded. Just open it and install it. But sometimes you need winrar. You need winrar guys, so that you can open this file. So just download winrar, is free. Okay, download and install winrar. Or if you have zip file, I think zip file can be used also. While you're installing the drivers, your screen might flicker and sometimes your screen will turn black several times. Then after that, your system will ask you to restart your PC. Then if you restart your PC, after that you're all set. Now your PC is good to go. Thank you very much for watching. For questions or suggestions, just write down below the comment section. And please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.